Please use the USB cable included in the packaging. Plug one end into the pen scanner and the other end into a USB port on your computer. In the main menu of the scanner pen, tap the Scan2PC USB icon to enter. Open the Scan2PC software on your computer to start using it. Scan to the target application. In the Scan2PC software, select the recognition language and open the application, example Microsoft Word. Place the cursor in the input area, and the scanned text will be directly sent to the application. Scan to the Scan2PC software. In the Scan2PC software, select the recognition language and click the Scan to Buffer button to open the buffer. The scanned text will be sent to the buffer. You can edit, translate, or send the text to the target application for further actions.